So this is a chart of SUNE, and it's a stock I tried to play this morning, and basically it was a breakout of the daily around this 860 level, had some resistance there, and this morning it pulled a red to green move, and I was watching it pretty closely, and I noticed that it recovered from that red to green move and then consolidated a little bit, pulled back, and gave us an intraday break, which was exactly what I was looking for this to show me some strength. And then I entered, and it ended up, spiking a tiny bit and then pretty much failing, collapsing, and it basically made this triangle pattern, this consolidation here, and I stayed in it. I had my stop around the 846 level, and I didn't move my stop until this pivot low confirmed itself around 851, and then I went ahead and I moved my stop a little bit higher, just to minimize my risk just a bit more. And as I saw this consolidation pattern starting, I was looking for the pop right here. If this was going to work, it needed to pop from this area, in my opinion. And once I saw that it wasn't, and it was basically looking like it was going to break down, that's when I went ahead and took a graceful exit on it. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with a graceful exit. Sometimes you can anticipate something failing. You can anticipate the intraday move failing. And it's better to, you know, take the graceful exit and minimize your risk rather than let it come all the way down to your stop. Like, sometimes you can just tell when something is going to do this. Like, I'm not the only one that saw this pattern and saw it break down. Other people saw it as well. And obviously, buyers could not take control of this to push it back up. So, what are the odds of it coming back and then giving us that breakout? I was ready to re-enter if it tested that 65 area again. Um, After I got out, I said, well, you know what? If this ends up coming back, retesting 65 and breaking through it, sure, that means buyers have taken control of the trade, and I will definitely consider getting back in. But that didn't happen. It just kept uh, putting in lower highs and lower highs. So, there's nothing wrong with taking a graceful exit. I think that I managed this really well. It's all about managing your risk and anticipating something that's not working. Anticipate that and get out before you have to take a bigger loss than's necessary.